Hi guys! Good afternoon! It is now almost 3 na. My gosh, nakalimutan ko na naman mag-lunch. Mag-film sana ako ng video. Yes, I'm wearing the same shirt that I wore yesterday. Kasi nga, gustong-gusto ko siya and gusto ko siyang isuot sa video. And nasuot ko siya, 3 hours lang naman. Tapos sa video ko lang naman isusuot. So, okay lang yan. I really like it kasi I really like the color. Very comfy. Ito yung from Tempt. T-E-M-T? Is that? Yeah, I think that's the right one. And yeah, I really like it. I like my hair as well. I'm so liking my hair. I have on the Color Collection lipstick, yung red. Nakalimutan ko yung shade. Anyway, iniinit ko yung munggo ko. Kasi nga, nakalimutan ko. Tumawag si Dan kanina. Sabi niya, uuwi siya mga 3. And hindi pa ako naka-film ng video. Na-busy ako. Sobrang busy kasi ng Friday ko. Diba, naglilinis ako ng Friday. Tapos, hindi pa nga ako naka-edit ng video kasi naglinis ako. And then, hindi ko naman alam na mapapaaga pala siya. Kasi sabi niya kahapon, he will be home mga 6:30. Pero ngayon, darating siya 3 daw. Pero meron siyang meeting mga 5:30 ata. And I think sasama ako sa kanya kasi malapit yun sa Target. So, pupunta ako ng Target siguro ng mga 30 minutes. I'm not sure. We'll see. Hindi ko alam kung pupunta ako ng Target or dito na ako mag-film. Kasi obviously, kakain pa ako. Darating na yun. Hindi ako makaka-film. You know? So, I'm just gonna eat. Okay. Ready na yung aking munggo. Kain lang ako, guys. Sinabi pa niya kanina nung tumawag siya, wag mong kalimutan kumain, ha? Baka pagdating ko, sabihin mo na naman, nakalimutan mong kumain. Sino nakakalimot kumain? Sabi niya, sino ba nakakalimot kumain? Ikaw lang nakakalimot kumain. Anyway, kakain na ako. Bye. I'll vlog, babe. Hi guys! I just finished filming my weekly Q&A video. Meron siyang mga tanong doon na sinagot. So, I'm pretty sure the video is already up. Meron siyang mga tanong doon na sinagot niya. Anyway, hupadin ko na itong shirt na ito. Magpapalit na ako. We will go to Target. Hello, you have lipstick on your lips.
Well, it's your lipstick, can't be anyone else's, so... Oh, God.
This lipstick transfers. This is a Color Collection lipstick.
Pretty hair looks.
You like it?
Pretty. Oh, look at that.
Pretty.
Posing.
Model.
You look good.
Thank you. Let's take a picture. Hi guys! Nandito ako sa Target. Nandito na naman ako sa kids section kasi dito yung may kasya sa akin. Nung nagpunta ako, kahapon ba yun? Yeah, nagpunta ako kahapon sa Target. May nabili akong jeans. Eh, nakita ko yung isang gusto ko kaya lang ayoko siyang bilhin. Kasi meron akong isang nabili kahapon. Asa na ba ako? Yeah, so maghahanap lang ako ng kung anek-anek. Meron silang marami sa clearance dito sa kids. Ito, cute. Kaya lang pang summer, spring, ganun. Ooh, ito cute din. Look it. Pero pang summer siya. Ang daming kasya. Hala, ang cute na ito. $7 lang. I think I have something like this. I think, yeah, I do. Yeah, meron akong ganyan. Parang $7 ata yung bili ko din nun. Hindi ko sure. Ang cute na ito. Nakasale to sa isang Target. Dito hindi. 15 siya. Parang dun 7 lang ata. I forgot. Pero, yeah, hindi ko binili. Obviously. Cute ng birdie. Tsaka ng bunny. Meron pang super cute dito. Candle. Sabi niya, love you more. Kaya lang hindi ako nagkakandila. Yung dami nga naming kandila sa bahay. Ito din cute. $3 na lang. Meron siyang takip. Cute. Ang cute nito. Pang display lang. It's a shaker. Salt and pepper shakers. Pero gusto ko siya i-display lang. $3 lang siya, you guys. Ang ganda nito pang display. Meron palang The Bomb dito sa Target. Ngayon ko lang alam. Magsiswatch ako kasi bongga. Hindi pa ako nakaswatch ng The Bomb. Try ko to. Let me vlog it. Look at this. We will buy this. I will buy this for him. He wanted to buy it. I was like, I'll just get it for your birthday. So I'm gonna buy it. I'm gonna hide it somewhere in the house. And then I'm gonna wrap it. And he will open it on his birthday. You already know. That's so weird. I didn't know you really wanted to get it. Dang.
Excuse me, light clothes, whereabouts would they be? Light bulbs.
Hello, I have this on my face right now. That's the brand right there. I'm not sure if you can see. But yeah, that's what I have on my face. I actually really like this brand of mask. Ooh, and look at my glasses. Anyway, I made, where's the guacamole, babe? Fridge? I made guacamole after dinner. We had barbecue chicken, by the way, baked barbecue chicken, pero hindi ako naka-vlog kasi nagmamadali ako kanina. Kasi nagpunta kami ng Target, diba? And then, after nung Target, siguro nakarating kami dito mga 6:30 na, tapos yung dinner medyo matagal siya lutuin, so nagmamadali ako, hindi ako nag-vlog. Anyway, I made guacamole. Looks like that. Parang very light niya tingnan. Hindi siya parang green na avocado kasi nag-add ako ng sour cream. Anyway, we will eat that with corn chips, yummers, and then Dorito salsa as well. So that's the ganap tonight. And then he will download some movies, he said. Pero he's watching football right now. But later we will download movies, or he will download movies para makapanood kami. Sorry? No. Hi guys! It's now what? Almost 7 ng gabi. My goodness. We just finished watching football. I didn't vlog this morning because I was charging my battery, preparing it for the video that we're supposed to do today. He did not end up doing it. We tried though. We were already there. And then when he read the questions, he was like, nah, I don't like the questions. So yun, wale video. But that's okay. So we watched football. We won, yay! It's 77-105. We won. And then we will have dinner, babe? Are you still up for that? Or you don't feel like having dinner as well?
I wanted to film today.
He didn't want to film!
I wanted to film today. They're filming, right?
He wanted to film the Bean Boozled challenge. Who knows where the Bean Boozled? I don't know, where is it? You had it.
You gotta find it, babe.
I don't know, where is it, you guys? I don't know. It's gone. The Bean Boozled. And I'm not in the mood to film anyway. After you said no to the boyfriend tag. So I was like, whatever. But yeah, nagtampo ako na slight lang naman. I was in my suki lala. What time did I sleep? I fell asleep while watching football. And then I woke up during halftime. We will have dinner tonight at kitchen something. It's an Asian restaurant. We will have dinner there. Was I covering the microphone the whole time? Naka-prepare pa naman ako. Naka-pink lipstick pa ako. Naka-fill in yung brows ko para sa video. Wala pala. We were planning to do like a boyfriend tag with a twist. Like if he answers something wrong or if I answer something wrong, we will put like whipped cream on our faces. I don't know. He's too gay to do it.
I'm too gay.
He's like, I don't like the questions. No, I think the questions are too personal. We went for a walk as well today. Nilakad namin from dito sa bahay ng kuya niya kasi kailangan naming pakainin yung aso kasi yung kuya niya nasa vacation. So kami nagpapakain ng aso nila everyday. My lipstick is the ColourPop Lipsticks in the shade Poppin'. Oh yeah, see, that's a final one. Move here. You're so tall, that's why. How about that?
Yeah, it's fine.
Yeah? You look so white. I think you need to move here. Move a little, please. Yeah, that's right. You look so good. Wait, let me fix you.
I'm not really in the mood to do this. See how we go.
Are you not?
Not
Do
really.
you want to do it now or no?
Yeah, I'll just get it over and done with.
Okay.
I don't understand this, so what is it?
We will just answer questions. Do you want to do it or no?
Oh, okay. We'll see how we go.
Are you sure?
Yeah, we'll see how we go. If it's not going too good, then we'll just stop.
See, these are all the questions. There's 30. We'll just get it.
What question does it? Like, let's see. Where do you don't answer that question? Where do you answer don't answer that question?
You don't want to answer?
No, I don't answer that one. Weird obsessions. Is there a different video we can do?
This guy is so guapo, oh. This guy is so guapo. Chad Wingard. Is he the captain, babe?
No.
Oh, who's the captain?
Can't remember.
They won! Yay! He has wings! Is that wings?
Tattoos, yeah, tattoos.
Oh.
Tattoo on his chest.
Cool. This is my team. My team. This is our team. Because people are asking, what's your team? So, Port Power.
Port Adelaide.
Yep, that's Chad right there. Where's Needy? I like Chad and Needy and Charlie. Where's Charlie, babe? He's injured. His ankle. So that's them. Am I allowed to film this?
Yeah.
Yeah? So every time they play the oval, we go. Every single time. Needy, that's the smallest one.
My money, babe.
Huh?
My money?
You won?